Today we're going on a jungle safari. It's gonna be
My kitty! My kitty is stuck in the tree.
Oh, it's a kitty emergency. Have no fear, because Super Eddie is here!
You have to save Mr. Pawpaw.
Hang on, Mr. Pawpaw. Super Eddie's always ready! Good kitty. Nice, Mr. Pawpaw. I'm almost there.
Oh, poor Mr. Pawpaw. You're okay. You're okay.
Wait a second. Mr. Pawpaw is a toy cat?
Shh. He doesn't know he's a toy.
I guess there's no job too big or too small for Super Eddie.
Sounds like Super Eddie has got a case of super hiccups.
Superheroes don't get hiccups.
There's only one surefire cure for hiccups. We have to scare them away.
That will never work. Nothing scares Super Eddie.
Wait, I got an idea. What if we turned our jungle safari into a jungle scare-fari?
A jungle scare-fari? Go ahead, Sophie. But you'll never scare these hiccups away.
We'll see about that. Hit it, Ziggy.
Hey, hey, we've got an adventure, and you can come along. A special kind of adventure, but first we sing this song. We sing this song. Sing this song. We sing this song. Sing this song. We sing this song. Hey, hey, we've got an adventure, and we're extra so excited. So here we go. Adventure ho, and everyone's invited.
You really think a scare-fari is going to scare away Eddie's hiccups?
I just need a little help from... Aha! Monkeys! Hey, you guys, want to scare someone?
The jungle's even more fun when you're a superhero. Let's go exploring. I love these guys.
Don't worry, we'll scare him next time.
Well, they sure scared me.
This will definitely scare him. Eddie! Want to play a game of hide and seek?
Sure. You head first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That was awesome! Super Eddie can fly! Let's do it again! Woohoo!
I've got one more idea that will definitely scare him. So, Leonard, if anyone can get rid of Eddie's hiccups, you can.
Super Eddie! Woo-hoo!
Superhero, huh? I eat superheroes for breakfast.
Cool noise. How do you do that? Roar! Roar! Roar!
He wasn't scared at all. That's impossible.
Don't be upset, Leonard. You tried your best. You were super scary.
Just not to me. Woo! Ooh!
Everyone's scared of something, even if you say you're not. Everyone's scared of something.
Give me whatever you've got.
If I turn off the light, would that bring out your fright?
The darker the better, I always shout.
Everyone's scared of something, even if you say you're not.
Did I mention I'm scared of the dark?
Did I mention I'm scared of a lot?
Rats or black cats, twisty old trees, spiders or snakes or things you can't see. Everyone's scared of something.
Everyone's scared of something. Everyone's scared of something. Everyone else, but not me.
Eddie? Eddie! Where are you?
I'm over here.
Did, something scare you?
What makes you say that? Ah! Yikes, thunderstorms. I admit it. I'm scared of thunderstorms. They're so loud and big and angry and
Eddie, it's okay to be scared.
some superhero I am.
When the sky roars at me, I just roar back. Take that, you thunder.
Roar!
Hey, thunder! Roar!
Your turn, Eddie. Come on, give it a try.
Okay, thunder, take this! Roar! Roar!
You did it. You named it and tamed it.
I named it and tamed it. Roar!